How to add Affirm to Stripe. So first go to Stripe's website and log into your account, and then as you can see in the right top corner you have that setting icon. Just click on the setting icon. After that, as you can see in the left side we have an option named payment method. Just click on the payment method option. Then you will be redirected to a page like this. Just click on the edit settings section. As you can see, just click on that. Then you will be in this kind of page. Just scroll down until you see buy now pay later option, and then choose Affirm from the list. Just click on Affirm and then turn on the Affirm from that option. As you can see, just turn it on. Boom, you have just added Affirm to your Stripe. So all you've got to do in the last stage is just click on review changes and then click on apply, and you're done. So thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative, and see you in the next video. Bye.